Welcome to our video on budget travel hacks featuring some valuable tips to help you save money on your next trip. We'll also show you how to use popular travel platforms like Expedia.com, Hotels.com, and Vrbo to make your travels even more affordable. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Find the best deals on flights. Use flight comparison websites like Expedia.com to compare prices across different airlines. Be flexible with your travel dates and consider flying on weekdays or during off-peak seasons for cheaper fares. Expedia.com is a great resource for finding flight deals, and you can often bundle flights and hotels for additional savings. Tip number 2. Pack light to avoid baggage fees. Stick to a carry-on bag if possible, as most airlines charge extra for checked luggage. You can find versatile travel items on Hotels.com, and often read reviews from fellow travelers to ensure you're making the right choices when it comes to travel gear. Tip number 3. Save on accommodation by considering alternatives to hotels. Look into vacation rentals on Vrbo, which can be more affordable and offer a unique experience. You can also explore local options on Hotels.com to find budget-friendly accommodations such as hostels or guest houses. Tip number 4. Research public transportation options at your destination. Utilize local buses, trams, or trains instead of relying on taxis or ride-sharing services. This can be a cost-effective way to get around, and you can often find information about local transportation options on Expedia.com when planning your trip. Tip number 5. Take advantage of free attractions and activities. Many cities offer free tours, museums, or events that can be enjoyed without spending a dime. Do some research ahead of time on platforms like Expedia.com to discover these hidden gems. Tip number 6. Save on meals by eating like a local. Explore local markets or food stalls where you can find delicious and often more affordable meals. Avoid touristy restaurants and use recommendations from platforms like Hotels.com to find great dining options that won't break the bank. And there you have it, budget travel hacks to help you save money on your next trip with the assistance of Expedia.com, Hotels.com, and Vrbo. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you enjoyed this video, we would appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.